Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel Electronics Gadgets. Today we're taking a look at the Breville Barista Pro Espresso machine, model BES878BTR in Black Truffle, a premium semi-automatic espresso machine designed to bring cafe-quality coffee into your home. Starting with performance, the Barista Pro features a high-pressure 15-bar Italian pump, combined with a thermocoil heating system, ensuring rapid heat up and precise temperature control for perfect espresso extraction. You can enjoy rich, flavorful shots every time. The machine includes a built-in conical burr grinder with adjustable grind size and dose control, so your beans are freshly ground for each cup. This ensures maximum flavor and aroma in your espresso, cappuccino, or latte. It also comes with a steam wand for milk frothing, allowing you to create creamy microfoam for lattes, cappuccinos, and flat whites. The precise temperature and texture control make latte art easier and more consistent. Operation is user-friendly thanks to the intuitive digital display and quick access buttons for single or double shots, hot water, and milk steaming. Despite its advanced features, it's designed for ease of use even for beginners. The Black Truffle finish gives the machine a sleek, modern look that blends beautifully into any kitchen decor. Compact enough for most countertops, it combines premium design with practical functionality. Overall, the Breville Barista Pro BES878BTR delivers professional-grade espresso, fast grind-to-brew time, precise milk frothing, and a stylish design, making it a perfect choice for home barista seeking cafe-quality coffee. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.